Hello folks, so we've got a President Walker from 2019. It's a new set optimisation. I know this is 2025 we're recording this, and it's for the gentleman who runs the trucking and farming business in Leicestershire. So it's a boxed set, it is new, and we've optimised it. It was only doing 2.8 watts on UK channels, and it's now doing 3.9, and on CEPT it was doing 3 watts, and it's now doing 4. Obviously they optimised them for CEPT, and that's what we've been asked to do. So we're in the centre of the band. It's been tuned up on channel 1 of UK, so it's in the centre of the band. No, nobody's shouting you. And we'll go to Mega Chippie channel. For some bizarre reason, Presidents have decided to put a red warning light when the set's in FM mode. Right. Tango 21 test. Roger. I'll put the extension speaker in. So despite being 2019, you can't select AM on CEPT Direct, even though that came in UK legislation in 2014. So we will have to faff around and put it in a different mode when we get to the 5 mile point to demonstrate AM.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, now ready.
Roger Dodger, I've got the speaker in, off we go.
Roger that. Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio there's no tone control.
Roger that. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Service station, and you won't be surprised, it's closed.
I was surprised we're over 8 o'clock, but I wanted to get the set done.
Roger. We're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, you're going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a
President Walker ASC from 2019. This is the new setting of Octo. And I'm on the factory original mic and they're editing 3.9 watts over.
Yep, roger that. No problems. Sounds good. And if it's a new set, I don't seem to get any apparent delay with it like I usually would, so that's good.
You know what? You're absolutely right. I just looked at the meter because I have a traditional meter. It's absolutely instant. I'll give it up. These are a lot of money. I'm not sure they're worth a lot of money, but it does work all right. Just for interest's sake, I will just mention it came out of the box doing 2.8 watts, and the deviation was 1.4 kilohertz. Tango 21 over.
Right, that's a shame. Could do better. Right, we're now going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, are you going over Wilsford level crossing? Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So on is President Walker ASC from 2019. He's doing 3.9 watts output and he's drawing 1.35 amps. I'm on a factory original microphone. We're going to go over to CEPT. We can do that straight away. And then in subsequent we'll go to AM, but I'll have to fast for that. So go to CEPT 31, please, over.
Oh, Roger.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie on CEPT FM.
Yep, no problems, loud and clear.
Roger, we switch to AM and I'll find you eventually.
Oh, Roger, see you there. Tango 21, you're clear, loudish, a bit noisy.
Yes, how it is, isn't it, with AM? So there we go, testing 1, 2, 3, and we will eventually to go back to UKFM.
Roger, I'll see you back there.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21 receiving you.
Oh, that's better.
Roger.
Right, off you go when you're ready.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So on is President Walker ASC from no, it's not, from 2019. It's doing 3.9 watts output and it's drawing 1.35 amps. I'm on the factory original microphone. We're going to go over to CPT. We can do that straight away, and then in subsequently we'll go to AM, but I'll have to faff for that. So go to CPT 31, please, over.
Oh, Roger.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie on CPT FM.
Yep, no problems, loud and clear.
Right, if you switch to AM, and I'll find you eventually.
Roger, see you there.
Switch off. Function. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, you're clear, loudish, a bit noisy.
Yep, that's how it is, isn't it, with AM? So there we go, testing 1, 2, 3, and we'll eventually go back to UKFM.
Oh, Roger, I'll see you back there.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
21 receiving you.
Oh, that's better.
Roger.
Right, off you go when you're ready.
The move again.
Roger, W.
I don't know if the camera will be. Sorry, I don't know if the CB will be in frame of the other camera because the I think the external monitor's got left on and the batteries are flat.
Oh dear, and it's on throwaway batteries too.
Yeah, roger that. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over. Yeah, 137.9, 144.7.
Roger on that, that works fine, thank you very much.
Yep, roger that. 1010.
10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby Level Crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me today at that end, please, over?
Yeah, 137.9, 144.7.
Roger on that, might work fine, thank you very much.
Yep, roger that.
1010. Yeah, works absolutely fine. You know, I can't argue with that, but I just don't think they're worth the money. So there you are, that's my take on it. I just wish they'd got a 3-position switch, considering it was made 2019, and the UK legislation for having AM on CPT came in 2014, and yet they could bring some sets out like the President Grant, which had it all in the right sequence. This kind of, if they'd have put a 3-position switch, you know, I mean, it says AM/FM, doesn't it? Well, it's FM/FM when it's in UK. You could have done with a 3-position switch for different countries to have those options, but there you are. They didn't. There you are. It works, but it does work very well. And there you are. Go to our base station, see what it sounds like.
Througout 21, testing the President Walker ASC from 2019 with the factory original mic into our Midland 76900 base station, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's it. Tomorrow we'll be looking at the JWR M2. No promises we can get it going, but we'll see what we can do. Thanks for watching.